morning. Hi Javier. This is a video that you asked me to make of me putting together your new Floppy Emu 2 case. And I'm here this morning on Saturday morning, and I'm going to show you how I do it, and hopefully this video will be useful to others. This is my first video, so if you think that it is terrible, well, so be it, but here we go. So here are all the parts that Javier sent me. He sent me the Emu face, he sent me the base, and I think that's all he sent me. I then went and procured this, the SD card reader, the LED screen, the Emu itself, and these set of wires. I have this case, this black disc 2 case, which I'm going to put this very, very nice piece of work into. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So here is the Emu, as I showed you. And Javier designed this really, really well. It unfolds like this. It's an amazing, amazing design work. I wish I could do the design that he does. So, to start off with, I've watched Javier's videos several times just to make sure that I know what I'm doing. And it really is just drop in and play. So this is the LED, or LCD, excuse me, and it just fits right in here like this. And you just pop it in. So you push it in, as I mentioned, and you guide it down. And you just look at and get it just right. And I'll turn it over carefully without showing the buttons. And you see, you might have to adjust it a little bit, but right now it looks like it's in good place. The next thing I want to do is I want to put in the SD card reader into this slot. And in this slot, you just wiggle it in. Kind of just wiggle it in until it snaps in place. Like that. And now the SD card reader is in. Next I want to do is I would like to take these wires and we will put those on the terminals of the LCD display. Now, the one thing I would note here is the terminals on the LCD display are opposite those of the Emu. So you actually have to twist the wire for the Emu and put them in the opposite way. They go in opposite. And now you put the Emu into the case. You slide it right into the case like this. Now the last thing I'll mention here is in Javier's video, and I think I have to do this, and I'm not sure which one I had to do, but I have to do one or the other. I think I have to bend down the terminals on the Emu to get this to fit in here. So what we're going to do is, and I'm going to do this very slowly and carefully, so I'm going to bend these like so, till they're at a 90-degree angle. And I think I got it. And now I'm going to start to fold this down and put everything into place. So let's see. And I'm working it, and do it very slowly. These are printed parts. I think that's it. And the buttons click. And everything seems to be in place. And, well, I guess I forgot to put in the SD card reader. I guess I can do that after the fact. Like so. Or yes, like so. And that looks to be it. Amazing, amazing, amazing work, Javier. So I did the final assembly off of camera. It's basically standard, putting the disc tube back together like you would put the standard disc tube back together. I used this black case, so it would go with my black 2E build. But as you can see, this is a beautiful piece of art that Javier created. And I can't wait to use it. I will show a demo of it actually hooked up to the 2E, the black 2E that maybe many of you have already seen on our Apple II enthusiasts group site. Looking forward to you guys commenting and seeing all about this FEMU. And for those of you that are purchasing it from Javier, it's an amazing purchase. Thanks again for watching.